Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kahului, Maui. Come on, folks, I want to hear some excitement. There you go. What a beautiful job those pilots did. Boy, they were fighting those winds coming in. Beautiful landing. For your continued safety and comfort and that of those around you, please do remain seated, seatbelts fastened, personal items safely tucked beneath the seat in front of you until Captain Barrow has parked the aircraft at the gate and he turns the seatbelt light out. Use caution when opening the overhead compartments. They are quite full. Items do shift during landing. Exiting through the forward left-hand door only. Watch your step as you walk the jetway. There may be a step down. Refrain from smoking until you have exited the airport in a smoke-free facility. You may claim all checked luggage at lower level baggage claim carousel number 4. If you're making an inter-island connection, there are monitors posted throughout the terminal with updated flight information. Or feel free to ask your customer service agent greeting the flight for assistance. We have a 20-minute baggage claim guarantee. If your bag is not delivered within 20 minutes of the forward cabin door opening, see a customer service agent for a $20 e-certificate or 2,000 bonus miles added on to your mileage account. And we're the only airline to offer this service. Just a reminder, folks, too, once we have the forward door open, we have to have everyone remain seated. Our packet with the agriculture forms was not delivered to us prior to door closure. So we have to have the folks in 25 through 32 fill out their forms real quick. I've already given them all pins to fill them out with. So what we're going to want to do is have a flight attendant distribute those forms to them. They get them filled out. We'll send them on up to the front door and then we'll let you deplane after that. But we will need the aiway completely clear so we can expedite this departure. We do need these filled out. This will keep in good relations with our agriculture folks here. And we appreciate your patience with us, and we do apologize in advance. But we'll get you expedited as quickly as possible. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time in Kahului, Maui. Mucho mahalo. Much thanks.